Hello everyone, welcome back to SK CAD Solution. Today I am going to show you how to prepare this part in Autodesk Inventor software. Friends, if you are new to my channel, please do subscribe my channel and support me to do the more videos. Here select metric, standard create. The base dimension is 120 length, width is 80, thickness is 15 Select extrude, select the plane, select center rectangle 120 tab 80 So finish sketch, extruded up to 15 Next there is a one more flange, that length is 50 and same 80 width, thickness is 15 Select extrude, select this surface, select circle 80, dimension from the top 50 select vertical constraint, select line, select trim, select circle, dia 30. Finish sketch, select this surface, reverse direction 15 is okay. Select this extrusion, mirror about, select the midplane. Next there is a circular part, outer dia 80, inner dia 60, height is 15 Select circle 80, 60, finish sketch, extrude 15 select this surface, sketch, friends. If you are enjoying the session, please hit the like button and subscribe my channel. Select extrude, cut, okay. Select material here, I will go with aluminum 6061. In the finishes, aluminum so these are all the standard finishes for aluminum material. So we can assign the color here. So that's the today's session, friends. I hope you enjoy the session. So you can assign which color you want with the adjust. Like this. Save the part. Wherever you want you can save. So that's the today's session, friends. I hope you enjoy this session. Also once again requesting everyone to please do subscribe my channel and support me.